In today's video, I'm going to teach you Copy.ai promo code updated 2026. If you're searching for a traditional promo code for Copy.ai, the first thing to know is that Copy.ai usually does not rely on standard site-wide coupon codes the way some other platforms do. So instead of wasting time hunting for discount codes on third-party websites that may be expired or unreliable, the smarter approach is to go directly to the official Copy.ai website and review the savings options built into their platform. Once you're on the site, focus on the pricing and plan options available. The most dependable way to save money is typically by choosing annual billing instead of monthly billing. In many cases, this gives you an automatic discount of roughly 17 to 20% compared to paying month by month. If you already know you'll be using the platform consistently, this is usually the most straightforward way to lower the total cost. Another good option is the free plan. Copy.ai offers a permanent free tier, which is helpful if you want to try the platform before committing to a paid subscription. This free version generally gives you access to core tools like chat features and basic templates, so you can explore how the platform works and decide whether it fits your needs. If you're new to AI writing tools or just want to test the workflow, starting here can be a practical and risk-free choice. You should also keep an eye out for sign-up offers. Sometimes new users may see limited time promotions during checkout or on the pricing page, such as a discount on the first month. These offers are not always available, so it's worth checking carefully when creating an account or comparing plans. A good tip here is to review the pricing page closely before you complete your purchase, because that's where these promotions are most likely to appear. The key takeaway is simple. For Copy.ai, the best savings usually come directly from the platform itself, not from external promo code websites. To maximize your discount, visit the official site, compare the available plans, consider the annual billing option, and use the free plan if you want to start without spending anything. That's the easiest and most reliable way to get the best Copy.ai deal in 2026.